Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the OXYSAT fingertip pulse oximeter. This is a fingertip pulse oximeter used to measure SpO2 levels or blood oxygen saturation levels. Let's quickly take a look at what information is there on the box itself. You can see it's written here Unbox-d. This is basically the parent company. This comes with perfusion index rate, pulse rate. It can measure pulse rate, oxygen level, and has high accuracy. So more information here, but it's obscured by this sticker, unfortunately. So over here there's a diagram that tells you what all you will see on the LCD display. Like there's a battery display, SpO2 levels, the perfusion index rate, pulse rate per minute, and the pulse rate intensity graph. You can see from here. I'm going to open this box and show you the contents inside. This is a product information and safety information brochure for the pulse oximeter. I'm going to keep this here for now. Next up, we have two AAA batteries. I'll attach them to the oximeter and show you how it works. There's also a lanyard which you can use to carry the oximeter around. The oximeter comes in this tiny cloth pouch, which is a very nice touch, to be very fair. Now let's take a look at the oximeter itself. There it is. This is the pulse oximeter by OXYSAT. It comes with a nice black and orange color combination, and it's pretty lightweight as well. Let's put in the AAA batteries and see if this works. Now you can see it's measuring my SpO2 levels. I'll see if I can change the display. There you are. My SpO2 level is at 97 and my PI percent is 17.4. That's perforation index. BPM is 51. Okay, it's changing to 98. Keeps changing basically, but this is more or less it. And this is it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the OXYSAT fingertip pulse oximeter by Mitochondrial Biomed. Thank you for watching.